Bampita Emudo Expenditure omu ku bazannyi agenda representing Uganda mu Africa Games. Championship eno ngyetegekedde oluvannyuma lwa natandika ogyetegekere omwaka oguwedde okuvira ddala ku Uganda International, Kampala International, City Tires, University Games. Olwo nanzize nga neepima ntuuseewa okusinziira n'omutindo abazannyi abalala gwe babadde boolesa. Tubadde mu training nga team kisinza okuba ekirungi okutuyamba okumanya ensobi zaffe n'okuzannyamu games okutegeera wa we tutuuse okumala emyezi ng'ebiri oba omwezi gumu n'ekitundu emabega. Emudo Expenditure, part of the national team that is going to represent Uganda in Egypt for the Thomas Anuba Cup Championship 2024. I've been prepared for this championship. I started last year in Uganda International, Kampala International, University Games, City Tires, even up to date. We've been training with a team for almost two months here. We've been training together with a team. I believe that our coaches have given us the best to represent the country, and I personally to represent myself in individual events very well.
Sookera ddala amanya n'eddoboozi James Kasumba okuva mu National Council of Sports, ekitongole ekitwala ebyemizannyo mu Uganda, nga mbadde ku mukolo guno okukiikirira GS. Tabadde naffe wano olwaleero, ayina meeting ezaalimu ne minisita nansindika okujja okubeerawo ku mukolo guno ogw'okusiibula ttiimu yaffe egenda okukiikirira Uganda mu mpaka za Africa ez'abasajja n'abakyala, nga zino empaka zigenda kubeera mu Cairo, Egypt. Empaka zino okusinziira ku bwe tulaba ebintu byaffe tuziteekako omutindo gwa waggulu lwa nsonga nti zigenda kukozesebwa nga empaka ez'okusunsulamu abo bagenda okwetaba mu mpaka eza Olympics ezigenda okubeera e Bufalansa mu mwezi gw'omusanvu. So tuzitwala okubeera nti za mugaso nnyo ngaffe, kubanga twagala okubeera n'abazannyi abawerako abagenda okwalifyinga mu mpaka ezo. Yensonga lwaki olaba nti ttiimu yaffe erimu abakyala, erimu abasajja, bagende bateekewo okuvuganya okw'enjawulo, ate era nga tulinamu essuubi nti basobola okugenda ne bafuna obubonero obwo bugenda okubayambako okukwalifyinga mu mpaka za Olympics.
Are they to Team Uganda?
Okay. The relevance of this championship, first of all, as I've mentioned in Uganda, we are trying to see a number of players qualifying for Olympics 2024, and it is one of those tournaments which were selected by BWF as points accumulation tournaments. So whoever is going to participate and is going to actually perform better is going to earn points. And remember, the more points you accumulate, the more chances of you qualifying for the Olympic Games. Remember, we are having a number of players globally who are going to be competing in different championships, and those championships are also considered as points accumulation championship. So the more championship you participate in, the more chances of you having those points, and then eventually we shall qualify for Olympics, which is our major target. Remember, as government, we do have priority sports and we do have priority championship globally, and Olympics is one of them. Commonwealth and those World Championships. So being one of those, it's a remarkable championship and we should put focus on it.
Thank you.
Coach William Kabindi, Team Uganda Badminton. Okutwaliza awamu twetegese. Sinza nakugamba nti tubadde n'obuzibu bwonna, tubadde mu kampu wano, non-residential, naye nga at least nina essuubi nti ttiimu zino zijja kusobolako yaddala bulungi. Tubadde n'akabanga mu training, ate nga okutwaliza awamu tetulina buvune buli awo bw'amaanyi bwe buno obutonotono obwa bulijjo, naye nga tujja kusobola okugenda okukolera ddala obulungi okusinziira nga bwe twakola mulundi guli. Names Coach William Kabindi, Team Badminton, Team Uganda. All in all, we are prepared. We've been in camp, non-residential, but I would say that all players are really in high gear. We don't have major injuries, and I'm sure we are going to put up a very good fight, even better than what we did the other time we had Thomas Anuba Cup here in Uganda.
Peter Gladys Mbabazi, oguno muzannyo okubeera okuguzannya obulungi olina okuba nga oli prepared bulungi, nga oli fit, mentally strong, nga toyina bizibu byonna bikusumba oba oyagala kuwangula. Kati mu zino ennaku eziyise mabega twetegese nga ttiimu ne tubeerako mu camp nga tugezaako okutereeza ebizibu bye tubadde tulina so that tuba tugenza okuzanya tebitukwata by surprise okusobola okuzanya obulungi. Okay. My name is Gladys Mbabazi. As a player, there are challenges that you might face if you're not prepared very well, so you have to take care of yourself mentally and physically so that when you're in court you're concentrated on what took you there. So within these past few days we've been training as a team to make sure that we rectify our mistakes so that we perform best in these games.
Thank you.
Yeah, I feel like I'm quite ready for the African Championship because I've been training for this for the past 1.5 months, and I really hope to put up a good performance and get the points I need for qualifying for the Olympics.
As you
There's team training so that we can have that team spirit. We emphasized on that, and then there was also skill training so that we can improve on our skills and see where we lack, and also the doubles training so that we can coordinate more with our partner. I would say we had a lot of time to come together and see our weaknesses so that we can improve it and perform better. Me, as last time I had ranked 1 and I got a lot of points out of it, I should keep up the same points or else I will lose my ranking. So it's a very crucial tournament for me.
Coming back here to play Uganda International, which is also an qualifier. Are we together? After Uganda International, they will be going to Akura. That now we take them to Cairo and they come back here, others will come up. Get it? Though their ranking is fine, still others will come and pass them. So that's why we can't stop until the last day. We get points and also we get points. So that's what they're getting double points from that. Same thing will happen also in Africa Games. They get their points like that. The same thing you got international is for bad points. So you see what you stand a chance. Any other question, members? Success. Okay. I think now again I go back to the
when they are being closed. The wood is not seen.
Chili okay?
Just first take the
So now our team, they are officially free to go and represent Uganda.
handshake, Mr. Kasum, with the captain.
Talk of the handshake. Make a place. And the captain is it as well?
Without the flag.